steppers and big weapons, bank robbers and kidnappers, streets filled with backstabbers, flip-floppers with no peppers, big steppers and big weapons, bank robbers and kidnappers, so many numbers now I'm using letters as big Benji, OG Trent, and oh my god, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my god, oh my goodness, hey, hey. All my boys are reckless when they pull up to your streets. Motherfucker, I will never be talking to the police. I got skinny fucking jeans, but the pockets are obese. If you're fucking with my money, then that trigger will get squeezed. Counting all this money until all my fingers cramp. Mix it in a pen, I be serving all this crack. Laughing to the bank, or I be robbing the bank. Pull up in a tank, my little soldier on the flank. Can't be stopped anymore. I have been running and running and running and running. Now my feet a bit sore. Hey, hey, and oh my god, oh my goodness, full of juices, eh? Always give my fullest, oh my god, oh my goodness, my boy's ruthless, eh? Making your gang useless, eh? People change so much, me be looking like a fitting room. I will never be tested, motherfucker, I'm no perfume. Sky is the limit, not for me. I ain't no balloon, seaside is a trident, motherfucker, this is no harpoon. And oh my god, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my god, oh my goodness, hey, hey, hey. All my boys are reckless when they pull up to your streets. Motherfucker, I will never be talking to the police. I got skinny fucking jeans, but the pockets are obese. If you're fucking with my money, then that trigger will get squeezed. GTR, Subaru, many snakes need Babalu. Seaside is a war zone, dropping bodies, that is what we do. Private jet, there is no queue. Pull up in a Bentley coupe, the only thing I give is truth. I cannot miss when I shoot. Always keep on grinding, I have money on my mind. Always hit my targets even when I'm shooting blind. And I have trust issues, that is why I never signed. It's only me, myself and I, and the rest of Seaside.
Good morning. How we doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Twitch. Morena, kia ora. Nice to see everyone here. Once again, kia ora, my name is Brock. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver, and I come from a country called Aotearoa, New Zealand. It's currently morning here. But how we all doing? How we all doing? Keep it 100. 100 body count is over 100. How we doing? Let's push. What's up, Anthony? What's up, Patricio? What's up, Sting Gaming everyone on YouTube? Morning, everybody. How we doing? Wait, did someone sub? I didn't see one. How are you beautiful people today? Yes, we are back to doing our Hoi today. We'll be focusing on the end once again. But how we doing? How we doing? Cold Q&A? No, not too bad. It's not too bad today. But yeah, apologies for the late start, shit. Just had to sort a few things out. Might be a washing day for me. But yeah, it was a good morning. Good start to the morning. Kids there at school. Why can't I see people subbing? 2 people have subbed and they haven't popped up in the chat. Ora! Hold up, what's going on with Twitch today? Alerts? Question mark? It's not even being acknowledged in the chat right now. Refresh the sound alert and check the chat bot if it's working. Shit's always breaking. Yeah, which is weird. But, hold up. Let me go to my Twitch channel real quick, because I use Twitch alerts, not a third party outside. Don't want to hear myself. That's kind of rude that they're not popping up for me, and I feel bad. Let me check my activity feed too. Love me a problematic start to the morning. Yeah, they're not even coming up in the feed either. Like at all. What in the... Like in the live feed, nothing's popping up at all. My alerts. I don't even know which alerts I use, to be honest. Hold up, how do you test it? That's why I don't touch all my stuff, eh? Hello.
I need you to oil this man right now.
That didn't pop up at all, eh? I don't know what's going on, guys. That's random that it's not being acknowledged on the screen. I do apologize about that, Twitch. Sorry. I do apologize. I didn't... Could there be YouTube subs? I don't have any, like, YouTube integrated stuff on my stream. I don't even think... Or is there even any? I don't even know if there are. Can I not do, like... Can you not do? What do you mean by that? You don't want to do something? But how are we doing, guys? I'm not sure why it's not being acknowledged on the screen today. Turbo, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. I don't know why it's not being acknowledged, chat. How is the sub bar and everything? Is everything all good for you? My screen's gone a little fuzzy. My drunk ass laptop. Alright. Yep, we are doing this today. Sorry about the other two that didn't get acknowledged on the screen. I do apologize about that. Also, chat, Twitch. I hate to say it, but Twitch has officially been dethroned as my biggest platform on social media. How you, Otter? After 4 years, I just saw it this morning and I went, holy shit. Alright. TT? TikTok's where it's at? Yeah. TikTok has overtaken my Twitch in terms of follower count. It hit 1.8 million last night. Fuck, crazy, bro. Crazy. That's absolutely nuts, man. Straight up. I'll most likely bring them in soon. I hope TikTok followers carry over to actual engagement. Yeah, I'm not really sure how TikTok works most of the time. The algorithm is just too powerful. Yeah, bro. I know, like, Twitch has started, like, something similar, like Reels. There's a Reels section within Twitch's app now. I just gotta check an email too, chat. I had to reply to a Twitch one yesterday. I may have been too late with it. Yeah, I might have been too late with it, but it's all good. Alright. Righto, Twitch. Let's go. And YouTube. What are we looking for today? So, the plan is... The master plan is today is to sculpt the end of the handle and so. Also, we got new emotes coming along, new Wheku emotes. So there's Pog, Kick W, and Re on the way. Trying to send. Wait, you send coins on YouTube? I'm still trying to learn about like YouTube stuff. So I don't really know. There's probably nothing that's been set up other than me setting that up so I could stream to the YouTube audience. Yeah, so we got a couple yeah, Wheku emotes on the way. So if you don't know what a Wheku is, it's kind of like my carving mascot. Go live on TikTok. Yeah, most likely will soon. So this is my main channel mascot here. And the green bear is the gaming mascot my kids created for me. I was live last night too, jamming some Destiny. Getting back into it. Let me just see how this cuts. Ooh. Ew. Thank you very much to Brock's guy for the T1. What a guy. What an absolute guy. Whoever that guy's name is inspired by must have a massive big toe. Extremely massive. I like the Whakairo mode. Yeah. So I wanted to add a bit more carving inspired stuff to the channel instead. Oh yeah, this cuts. Alright, got our chisel. Who's better, Messi or Ronaldo? LeBron James. LeBron James. Saw the Red Bull ad. Yeah, I haven't really done much with Red Bull lately. YouTube is Super Chat. Usually send Super Chat. Yeah, everyone's been telling me only made the account to subscribe. Cheers, Brock's guy. Cheers, brother. One day we'll get rid of that underscore in the username chat, but I'm not too fussed about it, to be honest. Do you take tire commissions? At the moment, I haven't got any space to do so. Because after this, I've got to do the third part of the one commission. I know there's a lot I have to do with the one commission, and after this whole commission's done, then possibly doing a pukaya, instrument, and then after that is looking into doing a carving for my good friend Doc Wizard, who's a streamer. We could potentially be carving his Grand Theft Auto character in the Whakairo form. Morning, TikTok. Morning, morning. Got something to tell you guys, TikTok. I got something to tell you. Yo, look, Nick. I see you were playing Sekiro yesterday and this morning, and here's me thinking you hadn't had a sleep. This is your birthday. Happy late birthday. Apologies, my bro. Thank you very much for the huge girthy raid. Hope you had a good stream, bro. And how was Sekiro? I wouldn't mind actually trying it, eh? Because it's a Souls game, right? Morning, TikTok. Chipper, do you play Redeem? Yep, I play on Diablo RP. My character's name is Tommy Tim Tam. And I have another character too who thinks he's the king of the crocodiles in Saint Denis. Good morning, Ghostly. How you been, you getting prepped for TwitchCon? I'll let you know if I can make it after the honeymoon. Yeah, I'm kind of focused on my honeymoon right now. And thank you very much, TikTok. Yeah, so I go on honeymoon next month just for like 5 days in Queenstown, and then eventually also I don't know if I replied fast enough to a Twitch email yesterday. It was for something that involved ambassadors, but deadline was the 12th yesterday, and I replied on the 12th, so hopefully I was on time. Hey, morning Ninja Binder, how are you? I like your work, brother. Thank you. Yeah, we'll be getting to it shortly. I'm just, letting everyone ease into the morning before we eventually get started. Congratulations on the honeymoon. Thanks, man. Yeah, we're just going to Queenstown. We're going to have a local getaway, pretty much, just for 5 days. You make my day every day? Well, that's a good thing to know. That's a good thing to know. So hopefully I can keep, doing that, brother. Yo, Mr. CBR, thank you for the galaxy. Now that there's a few people here on TikTok. TikTok, I want to say congratulations. Because as of last night, you guys have become my biggest platform out of all of my social medias, including Twitch. My Twitch is at 1.7 million and you're at 1.8 as of last night. And I want to say thank you very much, TikTok, for getting me to 1.8 million. Absolutely bloody crazy. But you have officially become my biggest platform. Absolutely nutty, man. Nutty, Professor. Alright, let's get into it, eh? Yeah, I was waiting for you all to tune in. So even to those that are following the TikTok from YouTube and Twitch as well, thank you very much. Alright, let's get this handle underway. Let's get down to business. So once again, starting off, we finished yesterday. We're still molding the end of this handle, and once it's all said and done, then we'll start designing it, pretty much. But yes, let's go. Thank you everyone for being here today on this morning, this cold morning. Yes, I know I'm in shorts, but it's all good. Where are we? User bro for being humble and cool. Cheers, brother Ghostly. Thank you very much, James. Where are we? What's up? Rise on Ray. Salute, Bobby. What you making? We're currently carving the end of a handle for a hoi. Now a hoi is called is a pedal. So I'm currently doing a commission for a birthday, or one of 3. After we finish this one, then we move on to the third one. Will be absolutely different again. So it's just a matter of this is like all the nitty gritty stuff is done on this piece. Like essentially, there's nothing else I really need to do on it, because it's all there. It's all there. It's just trying to get this handle to a shape that I like, and then we'll fully design it. I see that Nikki 30 guy finally got an iconic skin too. I seen his announcement this morning. I don't really play much Fortnite these days since getting back into Destiny. It's like become my FPS game, I ain't gonna lie. What's up, Blippo? Greetings from Poland. What's up? Is Luke John? Luke-John? Please correct me if I say your name wrongly. Please. How are we doing on this fine morning, guys? Right. Hello, bro. It's him. It's you. How you doing, Kanja? I'm doing good, brother. I'm doing good. Just ready to finish this, eh? I really want to finish this week. We're on track to anyway, and plus my kids are going away for the weekend, so we should be finishing it this weekend. Like all the designing stuff. But how are you today, TikTok guy to play? What type of music do you listen to? It varies. I've been listening to a lot of Big X the Plug lately, especially at the gym. If you see me doing the whip it, it's probably me listening to Big X the Plug. Who else have I been listening to? P Money as well, the rapper from the UK. Yeah, I've just been listening to a lot of everything really. Like normally I'd listen to LAB, Coterie, Matt Corby. I recently started listening to Sabrina Carpenter. Fuck around with espresso. I fuck with espresso, guys. I fuck with it. Thank you, TJ. If you're wondering what I'm drinking, it's just, detox tea. Make me shit like a champion in the mornings. Here it is. So that's all of the finished, as you can see. And we're just doing the end now. So there's nothing on the other side, it's just as blank as my brain gets in the morning. And but yeah, that's all we've done so far. Yeah, so we're just doing like all the little things. Like normally, like the 1% stuff, like all the little things are the things that take the longest, in my opinion. But yeah, I'll be designing this too. I'll go and get the rasp. Is everyone all good? I think the artist that I've been listening to the most is probably Josh Talcoffey. Oh, I love his music, man. Some call it love, but you call it pain. It's the sun in the winter. I love that song, man. Bone health. Lopez, please don't post stuff that has nothing to do with Whakairo. Not out here trying to learn about irrelevant things right now, my bro. If you want to teach some blue cheese, make yourself a Twitch channel and talk about blue cheese. Question mark. Bro is goated. It's not even that funny, bro. Always gotta be one. Always gotta be one. What is this for? 20. Oh, I don't even know if it's the 21st actually. I shouldn't say that. It's for a birthday. Yeah, I'm actually not sure if it's like a 21st or a 60th or anything like that. So relaxing? Oh, thanks. I'm sorry I can't play any music for you guys. I think what I'll do is, no, too much stuff to keep an eye on. Also for the subathon chat, I've added a goal into the sub goals I'm thinking of. I've added contemporary art piece. I'm gonna try contemporary wood carving. And thinking of adding, like, start doing podcasts. I wouldn't know what to do, to be honest, but a lot of people want it. I'm like, what would I do though? Wouldn't have a bloody clue what I'm supposed to do when it comes to the podcast. So look, yeah, all good, Dark Punch, all good, brother. I can hear the jazz music, it's real calming. Oh yeah, is it? Can you just hear it? Joe Tama, oh Tuma, sorry. How you guys, TikTok? What's up? I have seen you on Twitch. I'm currently live on TikTok, Twitch, and YouTube. Well, I'm gonna go start my day. All good, Mark. Have a good day. Much love. Alright. Ever think about me and the shoulder used to climb your. Boom. Hello, my friend. What's up, Junus? I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand. Podcast on history, bro. There's heaps of podcasts on history. Heaps, bro. I'd rather leave it to those that are doing it already, like Kiwi Chimera. smash this out. I'll find it. I just know the bro Kiwi Chimera does it. That's his name on Twitter. X, whatever the hell they call it. Yeah, I'd rather leave it to the bro to do that. Since he's already doing it, you know? Thank you very much to V-Call Gaming for the Optimus Prime. Kia ora, my bro. Where are we? What are you listening to? Bro, this is lo-fi. Just lo-fi, my bro. Some beats that Smokey sent to me. Smokey got beats. I'm tempted to just go and get the iPad and play some Josh Style Toffee. But I don't want to worry about that, plus everything else. Is that a rasp? Yep. The third day in a row I've caught you lucky. True, Red Daddy. Thought for today. Better plan to fail. Oh, I just go. I don't plan, I just go. I just move. Never been really one to plan. Alright. Start rounding this up. Take it to the line. How we doing, guys? Is all good? Greetings from Poland, kia ora. Nice crocs, thank you, my bro. I like to carve in comfort. Work boots are overrated. Awesome, dude. Hey, thank you, brother. That's fine. I finally found you. Hello. Hey, guys. Sorry if I am missing a lot of comments. So what I'm currently doing is just rasping out the end of a handle for a hoy. What is a hoy you're running? A hoy is a pedal. So we recently just finished a lot of the design stuff, and all that's left to do really is just pretty much get the handle done, and then that's the second commission of this one whole job that I'm doing. So this is one that's already been finished. So that one here. Yo, Otto, thank you for the 8 months, my bro. So this is one that's been done already. You go TikTok. So this is the one my uncle did. Right there. So this is for a birthday, pretty much. Down there. And I'm just doing one as well. Like there's 2 pedals and a Manaya carving is in this commission. So my uncle finished that before he passed away. Yeah. Thank you TF for the Galaxy and Monarch for the roses and Grant as well. Mahalo e taku kanaka Maori. How are you? Thank you, brother Otter. I noticed you on TikTok as the guy that did all interviews. He was trying to Sounds so amazing. Thank you for dedication and hard work. Oh, cheers, brother. I'm just glad everyone's happy when they join the stream, eh? I just want everyone to feel welcome. Feel like there's not much of that in the world these days. And I would say, like, you know, if you feel welcome here, then that's a good feeling to me. As I always say about the stream, it's just, you know, a cheeky corner on the internet where you can, you know, chill out and enjoy yourselves. As I like to say. Thank you very much, Luke Piers, for the biddies, bro. The handle would be hard to do. Well, what I'm planning to do, like, once it's all rounded, is, like, design it. Hey, Lips vanished. What's up, Cheerio? What's up, Sean? Thank you very much, Logan and Egg. What's up, El Patron? El Patron. Now, the only thing about my streams that you will not find me doing, this goes for YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok. You will not find me licking a ear mic, eating any food while the microphone's like dry humping your throat. What else? If there may be a time I may do use a hot tub stream in a Murloc suit. But yeah, the only ASMR you'll find here is me rubbing wood in the morning. Did you see what I did there? Yo, thank you very much to Onions for the biddies, bro. How are we, brother? We are good, my bro. We are good. We're going with the momentum, my bro. I hear you rap as well? No, I don't. I rap sandwiches for school lunches. That's about as close as it gets. Thank you very much to Skoko for the T1. And the hype train has been initiated as well. Thank you, Philip and Tyler. Also, I think I may have opened, is it messages on TikTok? I work up to like 600 messages with the wave emote. And I was getting trauma from when I tried to reply to 10 DMs in a row on Instagram. Bro, that was hard. Alright. Let's get rid of the center line. Any Destiny players here? Who's done the raid yet? Thank you, Raven and Tick. You're making the next handle? Pedal handle. Pretty much. Thank you for the Window King and Raven and Ryan as well. Where are we? Goldfish, thank you for the 200 biddies, brother. And also VCog with the 100 biddies as well. I love your vibe and your craftsmanship, bro. Much love. Hey, much love, my brother. Sure. I was never able to get into Destiny. Oh, true. I once did a subathon playing Destiny, and we did like all the raids, eh? All of them. They should make a Destiny 3. I believe they are, because isn't like final shape in these last few episodes the ending to Destiny 2? Is this still part of the tribute to your uncle? Yeah, this is my closure for my uncle's passing. Finishing his commission. I would say. The last conversation I had with my uncle was at my wedding. And that sucks, not gonna lie. But it was a good conversation nonetheless. Yo, thank you very much Goldfish for the biddies again. But too early to rap. No, I just don't rap at all. Yo, Bob, thank you for the Sky Heart Dome thing. And Peanut as well with the music. And OMG, it's Raz with the roses. Kia ora. Where are we? Ezekiel. Yeah, brother. But please know that, you know, the only way I would change the way I am is if the person who I respected most in my life said so, who was my grandmother. And she's not around anymore. But the last conversation I had with my nan before she passed away was to be more open. Pretty much. Oh, righty. So for loss, it's all good, brother. Yeah. I think the best way to, you know, to get over it is by talking about it instead of, you know, not talking about it. Okay. Do 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 do. Hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute. Yo, Ezekiel, thank you for the brand new T1, my bro. And also VCog again with the biddies. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou, and also Bob on TikTok with the Galaxy, and Liam as well with the roses. Ngā mihi nui kia kōrua. And where we heard Brooks, what kind of design are you putting on? I'll be honest, I haven't gotten that far. It'll most likely be something relatively simple. Like simple dimple ends, nothing too technical. Hey, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Where are we? Hey, Brian and Jade. Thank you for the koala, Bob. Skull. I haven't seen that one in a long time. Shit. Alright. Yeah, so it's just gonna be a little bit of like adjusting here and there. Just wanna make sure that Both look the same on either side. What are you making? So just rasping the handle. But this is what we'll finished. Right there. Yeah. So we'll design all of that. Probably put a spiral on it or something. And go to from there, pretty much. If you don't mind me asking, how much do those cost? It varies. It varies. Kind of depends what's on it. Timber, time. And also, another one would be like postage. I haven't necessarily included postage in a few pieces, but for the future I think I might have to. Unless it's like you know, the chat redeem one. I don't mind like paying the postage if it's the chat redeem one. Only one person has redeemed a free carving through the chat redeem, and that's been Sturdy. Secret tunnel. Secret tunnel through the mountain. Hey, what's up, brother? Hope you're having a good one. Hey, what's up, Bursif? Thank you very much to Bob and Juan for the Galaxy as well. I like this song, and I always get emotional listening to Leaves from the Vines, and I don't even have a son. I think it's more so for the fact that the voice actor that did that song was dying, and it was for his son too. I was like, oh, bro, that's heavy. Leaves from the vines, dancing so slow. See, I'm getting emotional just thinking about it. Woo. Showed us where he lived. Guy's living the best life. Yeah, he's doing his thing, eh? He's doing his thing, that guy. Oh, it's my mum. Have you ever thought of playing Valorant? I have. I don't want to go back to it, eh? I have enough salt in my life when I have a steak. Cool game, but the communities are a bit, how's it going, eh? Too many people think they're faker or tens when they live in, you know, Auckland or Albuquerque or France. No stab at anyone in particular, but you know. Yeah. I remember joining one game, I made the mistake of not having my name hidden, and fuck, we got stream sniped all the time. But it was guys like saying, we love your stream, and then they showed me, I was like, yeah, nah, banned. Yeah, I wasn't with it, eh? I wasn't with it. But in terms of FPS games, I haven't really been playing much. I will most likely be playing a lot of Destiny. Like, a lot of Destiny. with how it's going, and one of the bros hit me up if I wanted to jam finals. I was like, yo. Because it's like a samurai theme coming up. Have you ever played Apex Legends? Yeah, Valky was my girl. She was one of my favorite characters, or favorite ones to play. I did look at Cockstain, but everyone in their dog is a bit of a Cockstain main, eh? Octane, if you wanted to know. Hey, what's up, Sam? Yo, D-Note plays. Thank you very much for the gift in the Galaxy as well from the other bro. Have you played Rainbow Six? No, I haven't. But I have the reaction speed of a bloody tomato, so I don't think I'd last on their game. I'm a racing driver and I'm getting my helmet painted soon. Tell me your favorite color and I'll paint. Wait, really? What kind of car do you drive? Shit, I don't know, me. Bro, that's cool, you're getting a personalised helmet. What's your mum driving? A car. Wow, you're getting a personalised racing helmet done? Oh, what's my favourite colour? There's so many. I just do, I don't know. Green. Green's my favourite colour. That was my colour for my wedding. Damn, congrats, bro. That's a cool achievement. I remember seeing you on YouTube. Or believe it or not, if you go to Brox on YouTube, I'm live over there as well. I've never plugged my own channel before. I hope you reach F1. Yeah, bro. I'm only 15, so I thought, oh, yeah, I'll see you, and you'll get to the Formula 1, brother. If it's something you're passionate about, my bro, definitely go for it. Go for it, brother. Strive to achieve it. And come back to me when you're in the F1. I might not be streaming because you're 15. I might be like old as fuck by then, but you tag me in a post one day when you're next to your F1 car, brother. What am I carving? Just the handle. I'll show you the whole thing soon. You have your voice seems familiar from somewhere. I have no idea. Twitch.tv/Brox. Could be there. Is this really the whole? Yeah, it's me. It's me in the flesh. I'm trying to train to get skinny, so that's probably why you can't see it. I was skinnier back then. My muscles are relaxing right now. Quite a lot. I did chest last night. Felt good. Felt really good. I'm just glad I can still bench 120 without doing it for ages. Is that a pedal parent say you kink lord? No, it's not. You must get a peddling if that's what you think it is. You naughty, eh? No ears guy. Everyone that says stuff like that, I'm instantly gonna assume Kink Lord. You're a Kink Lord. How many years have you been doing this for? I started when I was 12 years old. So I'm currently 32 years old. Well, majority of my life, pretty much, I've been doing this for, and will continue to do so. And what's cool too is my nephew has become interested in it. So if he continues this interest, then I'll most likely teach him. Teach him the ways of the chisel, pretty much, from what I've learned throughout the duration of my life. Box, do you have any tips for starting wood carving? Depends, brother. What kind of wood carving are you going to get into? Like, when I started, I didn't really have much, I would say. And I created my own workbench. Like, as you see it now, like, pretend this is a workbench, right? I used to, like, put nails on the outsides of the carving to secure it. That's kind of how I did it. Like, I didn't have a vise or anything. My uncle had given me a few hardware store chisels, just like flats, pretty much. But you'd be amazed how much you could get done with one tool. Because keep in mind, my ancestors only had one style of chisel too, which was a flat. And my thought back then was, if they can do all of that, so can I. But I would say, you know, look into what you're going to start doing. You don't need to splash out a lot of money to start. Even if it's just hardware store chisels, just get a feel for it, I would say. And then, you know, as you go along, then start investing into it. I won't lie, I got lucky with all the chisels I have. The carving school I went to, if you graduate, you get to keep your pack. And I've had it ever since. And where they got the chisels from is a store called Carbatech here in New Zealand, Aotearoa. Is this his account? Is it him? Yeah. I got a bit pudgier, got a bit hairier. But yeah, it's me. It's me. I like World of Warcraft. If you want to know where the clip was taken, it was over there. Like, literally over there. That's just my jersey on the ground that I forgot to put pegs on. Yeah, over there. It's me. Hello. Pretty sure it's an all year, brother. Yeah, I haven't really been playing any like classic. I'm just don't have the patience for it right now. It's weird, eh? Got all the patience in the world for this, but not WoW Classic. Now, since I don't have a smooth rasp, we're going to be chiseling it today. Hi mate, can you say... Oh, I just missed your comment. Bro, this chat is fast, bro. Not playing games today. I don't play games on my streams, on this stream. On my Twitch channel, sorry. Weekdays is purely, yep. Touching wood. But I do have a gaming channel as well. It's just not Brox. That's the name of my other channel. I normally... So last night I was just playing Destiny there. Pretty much. Hold on, let me go back. I saw that. To be honest, man, I'm struggling mentally. Like, you got any advice on there for me? I always feel lonely. Riz God, I did see your comment on TikTok there. I think the way to look at it is, we have to go through these things in life. Like, I'll be honest, bro, I found comfort in, you know, my own time, like just being on my own. But I would say for your case, in order to like get out of that funk, maybe try doing things. Change your surroundings, change your habits, whatever you may do from your day to day. It's like Thrall from World of Warcraft says there. You need time, but time alone heals nothing, if that makes sense. So I would say what I want you to do now is like look for things to do. What are you passionate about? What do you like doing? There's nothing wrong with investing into yourself, even if it's just you yourself doing your thing. And then eventually as you move on with life, you know, you'll start to get out of that funk or that place you're stuck in. But I definitely advise you not to sit around, do nothing. Because I know us as males, we do it quite a lot. That's probably our kryptonite as men. We tend to suffer in silence and not want to tell anyone. But for me personally, the fact that you've said that on TikTok right now shows that, you know, you're on the road to becoming a better, stronger and better you. It takes a lot for a person to open up and say how they're feeling, in my opinion. And like I always say, that to everyone that's watching here, no matter if it's YouTube, Twitch or TikTok, I ain't no professional, but I'm a human and I'll try and help as much as I can. So that's what I think you should look into doing, brother. Celtic or the Mavs? Jeez, I didn't even watch that stuff. WNBA, the Fever. Get up, the Fever. Yo, Savani, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. Would you play Elden Ring DLC? Most likely. Most likely, my bro. Is it okay if I chill here for a while? I just broke up with... Yeah, of course you can. Yeah, no, of course. Anyone that's, you know, everyone's welcome here. Just not racist, dickheads, trolls, and people that like New South Wales. No. And people that waste their time arguing about pineapple on a pizza. Here's my argument to that situation. This is something my grandfather always said to me. Just be grateful you get to eat either one. Because there are people out there that don't get to. That's why I always thought that argument was dumb as fuck. People arguing about food when there's people out here that can't even have it and struggling. There was always something that my grandfather always told me. Don't be an ungrateful little cunt. Used to say that to my older cousins all the time. Bit of a deep question, but how do you find meaning in life? How do you find meaning in life? What does your life mean to you? What is something in life that would give you meaning? Like at first for me, this is what gave me meaning, Whakairo. I mean, it still does, but you know, times change, priorities change. The people that give me meaning in my life these days are my kids and my wife. They're the faces I wake up to every day, and they're the ones that, you know, inspire me to push even more in life and try and do better. Even though they're little shits sometimes, but yeah, it's them, bro, for me. For me these days, as I've gotten older and become a father. Thank you very much, Jim and Junior. Sorry if I'm missing, I know I'm missing a lot of stuff, but I feel like some of these conversations when people are reaching out, I feel like they become priority, or they should, for a lot of people. Because you never know, you know, if words or guidance may be the one thing it takes for them to change the whole situation that they're going through. That's just me personally, but you know those that have been watching the stream for years. Hello Z-Man. Imagine sending a galaxy to him. Oh, there's nothing to be funny about. I do appreciate that. Sorry I missed it. Sorry I can't, you know, be a chameleon, look here, look there. I do apologize about that. But there's no need to be a little shit about it. I'm gonna be honest. Thank you very much, and I do apologize for missing that. You read manga? Just One Piece? Yeah, just One Piece, brother. That's the only, like, manga or anime I give my time to be honest. How's your day been? Good so far. I've got a lot of washing to do though. I swear, bro. If you're in a house with 4 people that have long hair, you go through towels like nothing. It's not rocket. Oh yeah. I made some ads, please. It's a lot of time, but make use Sacred Stone. Oh yeah. Yeah, I've still got my ads blade I made on the sandstone when I was a student. Where's the chillest did you ever? I'll be honest, bro. Like, I like the chill lifestyle. I'm not out here trying to, you know, be 100 miles an hour guy. That's the total opposite to me. Thank you very much, Larry Rado for the galaxy, and Mr. Davidic for the roses, and Armin as well. Kia ora, kia ora. I'll be honest, bro, like, I've always loved the easygoing lifestyle. I've never really had the desire to have that lavish life, hey? Never in my life have I wanted that. To own multiple cars and multiple homes. I see that as just a waste of money. To be honest. That's just me personally, but everyone's different. Thank you, Colby boy. Kia ora, brother. I would give you some money. You should go and get you some food. What are you making? Just cleaning the end of this handle. I'll show you the whole thing soon. I just want to get this out of the way. If I go professional, I will fly you out. No, you're gonna, when you go professional, you're gonna save up your money, you're gonna get your house and your parents a house and your grands, and you are gonna, you know, help out your family. You're not gonna fly me out to one of your races. When you make it big time, brother, the first people in your life you should be going to is your family. Not me, my bro. Not me. But I'll support you, my bro. When you get like t-shirts done, I'll probably get one. I'd prefer to get t-shirts of, you know, people that I know that have made it, as opposed to Gucci. Gucci is people that buy Gucci bags just to leave it empty. What's the point in having a bag? I'll send you. Oh, brother. I miss Baldur's Gate 3. I love that game, eh? Karlak is Bay. My first run was the pure Karlak run. And second run was Bazel. But I didn't really play like a mixed class. I just played Paladin. But yeah, it was fun. I never thought I'd get into like D&D or any of that stuff. But when I started playing it, yeah, I really enjoyed it. Like, really enjoyed it. And I wish I had enough time in my day to like participate in a D&D campaign, but normally, like, when stream goes off, it's straight parent mode. Where are we? You ever played RuneScape? I'll be honest, bro. When all the kids at school, when back in my day, were playing RuneScape, bro, I was playing Adventure Quest. That's the one I was playing, brother. Yeah, bro, I was legit playing Adventure Quest when everyone was on the RuneScape hype. Thank you very much for the aroha, guys. Yo, Adventure Quest mentioned. Yeah. No, I played Adventure Quest, man. Adventure Quest, and is it Wacky Races? Those were the games I played, and then eventually I found the Warcraft demo on one of the laptops at school, and it was pretty much GG from there. Thank you, Bladed. Where are we? What are you making? We're just cleaning up the end of this handle. But all in all, what this whole piece is a hoy, a pedal. I'll show you soon. I just really want to get this cleaning done first before we eventually move on. So I think I don't know, it might be Monday. Monday might be a bit up in the air because I'll have to go and mill out some timber so we can start the next one. Well, yeah, we love your vibe, brother. Appreciate you, my bro. Leroy Jenkins, thank you very much to the Arab for the galaxy, and Ibnu and Bladed again. Jeez, oh shit, we got 1 million likes, guys. Holy! I remember yesterday we had 2.3 yesterday. That was pretty nutty. That was a nutty stream. That was a really nutty stream yesterday on all fronts, pretty much. Where's that accent from? I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand, down southern hemisphere. Sometimes I might be Korg, you know. Sometimes kōrero e roto I te reo Maori, my native language. Sometimes I might just be an egg and just, well, I might just talk like this sometime. Well, I'll tell you one time, boy, when I was down the road and I saw this amazing damn 2x4. So now Maori side, oh, true, brother. At the moment, I'm learning about my whakapapa, and it's been awesome. Can't wait to find out more. Yeah, bro, that's the beauty of it, eh? Finding all those links, my bro. But I hope the main thing is that you're enjoying that journey too, brother. Thank you very much for that. I did catch it. Aroha mai, aroha mai. I found you. Hello. How you doing? Are you Filipino? No, I'm not. I'm Maori and something else. I'm not sure what the other thing is on my dad's side. I'm not even sure he knows either. But yeah, I haven't really seen my father in a couple years. He's kind of, you know, out doing his thing with his wife, I think. I checked your page, you got married. Yeah, so we've been married for almost 3 months now. 3 months, and we got married on March 23rd. And it was one of the most amazing days of my life. Oh, I so want to show you the wedding video, guys. Because, you know, there's a lot of faces in there from, you know, my family that I don't want people to see. So I probably can't show you. You know, like my kids, my wife. Not really out here trying to showcase loved ones for the world. Remember, privacy is power. Bless you too, brother. Kind of pushed away by the older generation. Yeah, sometimes that happens, my bro. Definitely, it definitely does happen. But the beauty of it is that you've found it now, so you're chilling. How are things going with you, man? Good, my bro. Good. I did chest yesterday, and I've been training all week, so I feel good. I made the mistake of smashing back an Oxymax at night time, so I was up for a little bit. Stimmed out. even after I finish training. I was gonna look at getting just a pre-workout one that doesn't give me pins and needles. That pineapple C4 is the worst, man. My cousin had some, and I took it, and then I just felt like pins and needles all over my face, and I just wanted to go. I hated it, man. It was yuck. Thank you, LGZ. What are you making? So just carving the end of a hoi, or handle. Where are we? I just want to make sure I keep up with all the chats, that's all. Hello. Thank you very much to Hi and Jordan as well. Stay up, yeah, bro. When I yeah, I try not to take pre-workout at night. I was even being that guy last night and did a bit of art. Just doing my old tag name. Fucking cringes. Can't believe I used to tag. Hey, what's up, brother Luke? What's your pre-workout? I thought you were talking. So I take these things called Oxy Max. It's kind of like a pre-workout. But I was gonna look at getting a pre-workout instead, but a non-stim one. I think Ghost has a non-stim one, so without that yucky feeling. Thank you, Scotty Too Hottie and Mick Guinness. So every time I see Scotty, man, I think of the wrestler, Scotty Too Hottie. Much love, Jay Smith. Check my bro. What's up, Juicy and Mr. Science? Hey, what's up, Ono? What's up, Toko? The horsey. I still want to try some, eh? Fuck. Looks nice. Almost there. Once we finish this, and then we'll go over the handle one more time, and then depending on the time too, and then we'll start designing it. Thank you, Juicy and Mike. Far out. Hey, much love, Mystic Chicha, the living legend himself. Oh, I'm no legend, my bro. What's up, Stacy? We need you in a movie? Oh, I wouldn't. No. I do want to try voice acting. I've always enjoyed voice acting. But I'm not good at it. Funny enough, I met the voice actor for Roadhog at BlizzCon. Good dude. If you don't know who Roadhog is, he's a character in Overwatch. Hey, thanks for the window, Gus. I'm trying to keep up with the... Oh, a cup. Trying to keep up with all the comments. Do you have a favorite fight in the UC? Max Holloway? And probably Izzy because we went to the same school. Went to the same school. I might ask him if he wants to jump on stream one day. Hey brother, I just wanted to say your positivity does help me stay positive. Your smile is always amazing. Hey, that's the one books. Isn't Roadhog Maori or Islander? I have no idea. Eh? Like he's got a pose with a Maori cup, but then he's got, you know. So I don't know if he's Polynesian or not. Might be the token. Oh no, he's not the token Poly anymore. It's Moga. I forgot about Moga. Alright. Almost there. Like you would be perfect. The voice for Moga from Overwatch. Oh no, John Tui's the man. He did an amazing job. He did an amazing job as Moga. And I was buzzing that someone from, you know, my own country, he's from Samoa, but he's someone who lives in the same country as me, voiced probably my favourite Overwatch hero. He's only my favourite because I'm biased, pretty much. And I just like the way he is as a character as well. Like when I was at BlizzCon and they announced him, bro, you should have seen me. I was going nuts in the crowd. You watching beer? Not really, my bro. It's not really my thing. How we doing, YouTube? He's all good? Just chilling. Thank you, Booty Balls. And Alex, okay. Booty Balls. What are you carving? Just the end of a handle. I'll show you soon, it's almost done. Like, majority of the cleaning. Thank you very much too. Redemir for the Optimus Prime, getting us to 11 out of 30 today on the sub goal. I think his Law's Roadhog is from NZ originally. Oh yeah. Thank you very much to the bro for the galaxy. Fuck, I just caught that. It's hard, man, keeping up with 3 chats. I do apologize, I'm not doing too well. Do I do custom items? I only do traditional Maori wood carving. As I've mentioned before, I do get some ridiculous requests in the emails. Man, that could be content, eh? Just cover their names and show what they want. That could actually be content. Some guy asked for a naked Android 18 carving. I was like, oh jeez. I said no. I just said I don't do that type of stuff. Bloody degenerate. No. I spat my drink when I saw that email, man. Spat my damn drink, I did. Got a concept. How's NZ? Yeah, it's all good. Nice cold morning. Run by a bunch of papagas, but yeah, we're good. Gifting highlight. Still later to join. What was that? Ambassador something? What's that? TikTok ambassador? Bro, I need to get a TikTok contact, I think. My goodness. What about a patu? Yeah, I've carved many patus. Wahaika, kotiate. Thank you very much, Alex. Kia ora, kia ora. And Shane. Kia ora, brother Shane. Is that Toji as your screenshot? Can you haka? Yeah, I've been doing like haka all my life. Will I do it online? Probably not. Probably not, to be honest. All good, board. Have a good sleep, eh? Whoever wanted to make Naked Android 18 going. Where would you even look for something like that, though? Hell no, I don't know. Don't want to do it, though. Yeah, I spat my damn drink when I saw that. I was like, bruh, you gotta be joking. Cool. Yeah, most of my audience is America and Europe. Like, they're the two big dogs that normally join the stream. I don't know how accurate that thing is, but I just like to see all the flags. Thank you very much, Nature and Smirt. Did I say that right? 3 chats on the go. Come a long way from the phone. Yeah, my bro. Come a long way from the phone, Andy guy. You said it's on your arm. Do you show your Maori? My moko? I finally found you. Hello. How many tires have you made? Oh, I don't know. I lost count years ago. Last one I did was like a week. I had a week to do it, and it was very short notice. I was very annoyed, but I charged them for it and ended up using it for the wedding, pretty much. I remember you. Hello. Sorry, Chad, I'm almost done. Kia ora from Manchester. Kia ora. What's up, Colby? Man, it's so buzzy seeing where everyone's from, eh? Straight up. That is definitely probably the most satisfying thing is seeing, you know, how much people I get to connect with from around the world. Kia ora from Pukekohe. Kia ora. Morena. The taiha carvings have always been my favourite. Oh, jeez. Yeah, Whawuveni. How much taihas have we done on stream? Just one, eh? I've done a lot of them offline. Yeah. Apes together strong. Sure, brother. Thanks for the biddies. You saved me from a very boring lockdown. I think we saved each other from a very boring lockdown, eh? All of us. I hear there's some Twitch streamer trying to promote raw milk at the moment. It's like, oh, sounds like a new pandemic might be on the way. Well, mind you, there's no harm in it, eh? Like, you know, straight out the cow. Yo, 20 and Tyrese Nami? No, where's the OG? I'm not an OG. Another victory for the OG, taking down the Sweats. Hold on, chat, just trying to get all of this out. Ooh, there it is. Yo, what's up, Stanley? Stanley! normal handle end. I'll design it. Yep. So that's it there. And then we'll probably just design that with a spiral. But other than that, dash him. Who knows? I might do a design on it. We shall see. Thank you for that, brother. I did just catch that. Sorry. So thank you for the roses. And Joshua for the aroha. Where are we? Just want to make sure I'm keeping up with the times. Oh, come on, voice. There we go. Holy so. Love your stuff, bro. Thank you, my bro. I'm glad you enjoy it too. Yo, Joshua and 22K. Kia ora. Where are we? What's up, Elliot? Alright, let me clean this up a little bit. Let's turn the other way. Once it's done, it'll be good to like stain it, do the eyes, and after that we should be good. Hello from Portland, Oregon. Kia ora. I don't really need to clean the top of this that much because it's gonna get designed. That's why I hang my head in Tennessee. God's all. There's just a lot of the boring stuff I'll be doing at the moment. Like no molding, no large amounts of timber being moved. It's more so just doing a lot of little things pretty much. Hello from Scotland. Hello, brother. All the way from Scotland. I'll keep my center line to like the very end. But yeah, I'm just cleaning up all the little stuff. Two from Western Heights, kia ora. Straight out of Texas, I got these guns from Texas. I'll call them Destroy. Still one of my favorite parts in Thor. Dude, the details so good. Ah, cheers, my bro. Yeah, so all the detailing is down here, like all of that. There's just something simple. Don't want to go too out the gate, pretty much. Simple dimple. Simple dimple. Thank you, Tinker and Ezreal. Did I say that right? Ezreal. I think I did. Carl Urban, he the man, he the man. I haven't watched The Boys yet. I really need to. A lot of people keep recommending it to me. Oh, against the grain. Yeah, I hardly ever watch TV though. That's the hard thing for me. Thank you very much to Camby Jamble for the 9 months. Hey, congrats on the 9 months, man. Sub baby. Congratulations on giving birth today, my bro. Much appreciated for the 9 months, Aroha. Superheroes, but R-rated. Yeah, I heard Wish Superman's a bit of a fuckhead on the boys. What's his name? Homelander. But that sounds funny. I will definitely give it a go, my bro. Are you Australian or South African? Next door to Australia, Aotearoa. Now you could see that I'm not from South Africa. One day I went into the savannah and punched over a cheetah for simply looking at me. Where are we? To make this stuff. Yeah, this is a commission, brother. Hello from Holland. Kia ora. Yo, Astro and B-Dog, Ngamihi Nui. Hello, where are we? You carve 21st keys? Yeah, sometimes, now and again, when I have free time to do them. I'll do it all, really. At the moment, I don't have any space to do them due to like how much stuff I have to do right now.
I need you to oil this man right now.
Yo, Glenn Uno, thank you very much for the 15 bomb, bro. I need you to oil this man right now. Shout out to Cinnamon Toast Ken. Thank you very much, Glenn Uno, for the 15 bomb. If you did get one of those on Twitch, please give our brother a thank you. Don't forget to acknowledge those that give you something funny. Thank you very much, brother Glenn. And also right behind him, we got Black Thunder with the 46 months, bro. Fuck. 46 months. That's a long time, brother. Evening from the UK. Hope you're having a nice day. Appreciate you, Black Thunder. I hope you're not staying up too late for me, my bro. Need you to get some good rest in as well, my brother. But appreciate that, my bro. And right behind you, we have Yogurt with the 2 months. Where are you going to open the gift I sent on Pokemon Go? I only just started playing Pokemon Go again yesterday. It looks so different now. Like, so different. Thank you very much for that, brother. Yo, Stux Music, thank you for the 10 biddies too. Is it at all? Liam, yes it is, my brother. Hello, Max over on YouTube as well. Thank you very much to James and Lennox as well. Whew. Nice. Thank you very much, brother Glenn Uno. And if you did get a gift, then please say thank you to Glenn too. Where are we over here? Yo, Zaki and Iwi though, thank you very much. Much love to Julio. Much love, my brother. Where are we? Love the vibes. Sure, I_I.206. Alright, geez, I need to hurry up and finish this too. I've been, feel like I've been Brox Yep Yep _. I do apologise. Yeah, hopefully we can give it a that _ one day. One day on Twitch. No, thanks needed. You shall thank you whether you like it or not. Thank you, Brother Glenn. Solid, mate. Kia ora, Trap NZ. Kia ora, my bro. Yeah, I can't wait to design the top, The top part of the handle. I'm gonna keep it like simple as. You don't necessarily need to make it like over the top. And once we finish it, one thing I need to do after that is get the eyes in, stain it, and we should be good. Hopefully we can stain it this week. Cause my kids will be away this weekend, so there will be some carving streams over the weekend. And some gaming ones too. Yo, Findal, thank you for the Optimus Prime, my bro. Quite a few UK. Yeah, we always get the UK and America in here and everyone in between. Well, Europe, I should say. Yeah, I should say Europe, not just the UK. But I know it gets relatively late for the UK around this time in America. So please, if you are getting tired, go to sleep. There will be other times, and I promise you, once the day comes when we finally have a house and a proper shed, bro, we will be doing carving streams on some different hours too, so we can showcase it live to those that can't make it, you know. Just for those that can't make it, just to be considerate to them too. This makes me happy. Well, that's good. That's all we need right now, in our lives, I'd say. Can you upload like emotes to TikTok at all? Is that even a thing at all? That'd be cool if we could put some emotes on the TikTok. Yeah, we've got a lot of carving themed emotes on the way. I hit up the bro if he was keen to do some last night. And he's done Pog and Kick W. But it's of my carving mascot. No, my mascot on this side of the stream. The Fiku. And hopefully I can get some art streams on the way. I want to try and figure out my iPad tonight. Just so we can start drawing on Procreate. That'll be fun. I think that'll be a fun addition to like what we do. Oh, look at those bears. Yo, thank you, narrator. Some tall ass Care Bears. Weak ass stream. Well, you're here, so I think you're kicking yourself in the bum. So I don't know who you're trying to threaten. If you find a great emote artist, please let me know. One of my mods does them. Thunder. Yo, bro, just joined on TikTok. Hey, cheers, brother Drew. True, my bro. Damn, imagine that, going to someone's live and saying it's weak. What the fuck? What's the matter, bro? Come talk to me. What's the matter? What's going on? There's no need to lash out at someone. If you want to talk, I'm right here. Right here if you want to chat, my bro. Willing to help. Not sure why you said that, but yeah. You never know. Don't be here, this guy's a legend. Ah, you never know what's going on in their lives, eh? You never know. One of my mods, he sometimes shows up. His name's Thunder Punch. I know he'll be busy today. He's trying to sort his art studio out. That's what he's been up to for the last few weeks. I just like going through him because he's local, and it makes paying him easier, in my opinion. Climb every ladder with a hammer and a nail, I'm laying it. Yeah, we work so hard to build a little house together. No matter what the weather, we together. Oh, what's going on there? Thank you very much, Joe. Bro, ain't even doing nothing. What's the matter, bro? Why are you being a sensitive tomato right now? What's the matter? I'll be honest, bro, if you were with me and you tried to carve with me the whole day, you'd probably buckle. Well, what's the matter, bro? Why are you being so negative? I want to see why he's being so negative. Photo's looking good. Hey, thank you, brother. Yes, Hey, I don't know what's wrong with him. You never know. What's the matter, bro? Thank you very much to Cool Whip for the T1. Why did I say they like Stewie? Just on TikTok, someone's been negative. Nancy, hashtag moaning Myrtle. Yo, Pimpy, thank you for the roses and seeing as well. Must be moaning Myrtle's boyfriend. Cedric. Cedric. Hey, thank you very much to Kong Kang for the Optimus Prime officially hitting 30 out of 30 for the day. Appreciate the aloha, my bro. He's literally doing nothing. I haven't seen him reply, so he must be gone. Yeah, he must be gone. Thank you for the swan. That's cool, yeah. So what we have to do now is just design the end of the handle. Not sure. I don't know. I might just, I'll probably try and do something simple. Is that all? Yeah, brother. He ain't doing nothing. Oh, is that all he's replying? Okay. That's legit all he's saying. I mean, you ain't doing nothing either, so... Leave him there, guys. He's alright. I think he's just farming reactions. Man, I haven't watched Corey Kenshin's videos in a long time. Wasn't he on Friday Night at Freddy's? Thank you, Billy and Isaac. Was that him? Was that him? I can't remember. I remember someone referencing that it was him on the movie at the end there. Can I buy this? This is already for her birthday. So apologies here. This wasn't my commission to begin with. It was my uncle's. But yeah, we finished all of that. Like all I have to do is just the eyes, and then it's done. And then after this, are you Corey? No, not Corey Kinshin. He's got a YouTube channel. Follow him, he's the man. It's alright, guys. It's alright. He's gone. He's gone. I blocked him for you. He's gone. He's gone. Yo, Isaac, thank you very much for the Aroha, bro. So I blocked him. There you go. Now he's not doing nothing. He's not doing nothing now. Alright. There. Just got one side there. Oh, what's that animation? A spaceman. Thank you very much, Eerie, for the spaceman. I'll say for this for a birthday, so this is a gift. So this is one here, and this is another one. So this is my uncle's one, and this is my one. You can see. Pretty much. So my uncle's one is finished, so it has the eyes in, as you can see. Now with our carvings, when they have the eyes in, you don't touch them anymore, you don't carve into them whatsoever. So in our culture we say when the eyes in, that's when you know, they can see into our realm and they can feel. So it's the reason why you don't carve it when the eyes are in. And the eyes, if you want to know what they are, it's abalone seashell, we call it paua. Yeah. And mine don't have the eyes in yet, so we're good. So the design my uncle did is Rapi Rapi. Don't tell me Corey uploaded another video, did he? If he did, then I feel bad because I gotta go say thank you. Yeah, well done by hand. No machine. Oh, they only took. Did I use the machine at all? No, I didn't know. I just carved it. Yeah, I just carved it. Where are you from? Aotearoa, New Zealand. If you had to go back in time and carve with... Joel, thank you very much, Aiden. If you could go back in time and carve, which would it be? I would go back in time, not so much to join in, just to watch. Just to watch my ancestors and how they carved. I'd do that more than, you know, going to join. Yeah, I think it'll be a treat to watch them in their heyday, you know, carving away. In my opinion, anyway. Dude, I think for tomorrow, depending on where we're at right now, we might save the designing and the staining for either tomorrow or Saturday, yeah. Because I'm going to be coating this a few times. Like, even though it's not going overseas, I still coat them anyway. Like, these carvings will probably spend the rest of their, how do I say it, woody lives inside. Inside, you know, someone's house once it goes to them. Does that make sense? Love the accent. Cheers, brother. What do you do with all these carvings? So they don't stay with me. These are going to the next recipient, really. So this was a commission given to me by one of my aunties. They had commissioned my uncle to actually do this. But unfortunately, you know, my uncle passed away, and my auntie approached my mum to ask if I could finish it because being a student. And that's how we got here. That's how we got here, my brother. And now we're finishing this in my uncle's name. Didn't really, you know. They talked about payment, but I just said give it all to my auntie. My uncle's wife. I just said give it all to my auntie. Yeah, so once this is all done and I hand them over, then I just told my auntie to give the money to uncle's family instead. Yeah, I didn't pick this up to get paid. I did this to honor my uncle's legacy. And keep it going, pretty much. Keep it going, chat. Can we see what's going on? Almost. Oi! Fuck, that's loud. Woo.
Scarafly tipped $1.50. Much love, bro.
Thank you, Scarfly, for the $1.50, my bro. Oh, that's loud. Any stories to record and all? Sorry for the loss of your uncle. Oh, bro. My uncle, like, he was a very... I feel like he was the embodiment of a gentle giant, eh? He was a very calm person, I would say. But he did have that reputation, if you know what I mean, you know. Piss him off enough. But yeah, all my life, you know, just grew up around my uncle. Not so much seeing him do Whakairo, just in general. And my mum and him and a few others were all very close. Like, they were all cousins, but they were like raised like siblings pretty much. And I remember always seeing my uncle where he was just a big calm person pretty much. And then eventually I saw him doing Whakairo, and yeah, no, I was buzzing out, eh? I was buzzing out. Cause I never really, what, 990, what does that mean? I saw him would you engrave your uncle's name into it? Nah, I put something he taught me into it though, into this. We wouldn't necessarily engrave a deceased person's name into it because the person it's going to, you know, if that makes sense. So you see how this has all one particular design, so you can see it. Taratara Akoi. I did add a little addition to, you know, my uncle. So you see that small rape there, that was the first design he taught me. That design there, the only design that looks different out of the whole carving. So that's kind of like a little thing to him. But yeah, in terms of engraving a name, nah, because it's going to someone for their birthday. They might look at it and, hey, who's so and so, you know, if that makes sense. Yeah. You know, who's so and so and why is his name on this? They'd be like, what? Thank you for the bracelets. Thank you, PTSD, kia ora bro, and Boji. Hey, much love, Houston. Yeah, so once we finish this handle, then we should be good. Normally you'd sandpaper this, like the handle, just to get through it. Fuck, that's loud. Sorry, chat. Oh, 3 people tried to invite me to a call. Jeez, Scarfly. Why are 3 people trying to invite me to a live? No thank you. I'm gonna decline. I don't know why. I'm just trying to, you know, show everyone what I'm up to today, as usual. Love your story. Ah, cheers, brother. Yeah, I grew up in the country pretty much, a relatively simple life. Grew up hunting, fishing, spending time with my grandparents. Oh, Borks, thank you very much for the 1,000 biddies on Twitch, my bro. Stay positive, hustle should be pretty easy for you. I just said, read myself, my brother. Thank you very much, my bro. What's your favorite carving? All of them. Beautiful stuff. Cheers, my bro. Man, dual streaming keeps you on your toes, eh? Okay, what's up? Is it Jacob? What are you making? I'm pretty much just cleaning the last bits of this hoy, this pedal, or whatever you want to call it. I'll try not to be too long. I'm legit doing the last side now. Is there anyone here? Oh, actually, TikTok people. Is there like a TikTok convention at all? Like a TikTok con? Kind of like TwitchCon and all of that? Is that even a thing? I'd be relatively surprised if it wasn't a thing, eh? To be honest. Where are we? Such a safe vibe, my bro. Hey, as long as people feel safe here, no matter if it's YouTube, Twitch or TikTok, I think that's good. Very good. I think that's a very good thing to know, you know? It's good to have safe spaces, I would say. Where are we? Is it Nephiston? Did I say that right? Thank you for the biddies, bro. Please correct me if I am wrong, though. Thank you, Park. And Sir Top. I'm not saying that. Top, thank you very much for the biddies, bro. Bro, some of these names, bro, how do you get away with it on TikTok, man? Is it disrespectful to get a Samoan tattoo? I don't know. Empty, thank you very much for the galaxy. I can't speak on behalf of, you know, my Samoan cousins. You gotta ask someone that is of Samoan descent, I would say. Yo, thank you once again, brother. Holy. Glad I could make you laugh. Straight up. It's 2 AM in the Netherlands. Can you 2 AM to bed, please? Go to bed. God. Even I don't like staying up that late. Goodness gracious me, it doesn't matter how good the game is, I like to be in bed in around 12. I was quite shocked last night when I was playing Destiny and it was 1 o'clock in the morning. It's like, goodness gracious me, get your goddamn ass to bed there, boy. Chat, lunchtime, I'm feeling crumpet bread, hash brown, avocado on one crumpet bread, and an egg. I'm feeling that this today. What age did you start carving? 12 years old, my brother. 12 years old, and now I'm turning 32 this year. No, 33, sorry. Yeah, so, a bit old, but at the same time, still a bit immature as well. How was the kebab yesterday? Oh, bro, it was... Whew. Chef's kiss, my bro. I'm so glad I had a kebab yesterday when I was talking to you guys about it. When I got it out, I was like, get in my belly. You just can't go wrong with a good kebab, eh? You just can't. I heard Spaniards doing some from Australia as well. Get in my belly. Yo, thank you for the 1,000 biddies, Scar. Thank you, my bro. Thank you, Bryson and Spooky Doo. How are you, bro? I'm good, my bro. I'm good. As a matter of fact, as we start talking about food, my gut starts rumbling. Oh shit, they gave me a fright. You don't happen to live in Alaska? No, I do not live in Alaska. Your friend Ducky, thank you very much for the 5 bomb, brother. Holy, they gave me a fright. Thank you very much, Ducky. Where are we? Porsche, thank you very much. Porsche. And Sam Pullen and Sa as well. Where are we? Good to see another woodworker on here. Hey! You fellow craftsman. I love to see it. I'll be with you shortly, chat. I know it would have been easier to use sandpaper, but I can't find it. Long story short, I can't find it. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna chisel it. It's here somewhere within proximity of me, but yes. I don't like mucking around, eh? So I'll just start and chisel it. I would listen to an audiobook. Yeah, someone commented that on one of my posts, and believe it or not, I will read Hero McCleary on stream for you guys. Your mom. Thank you for the galaxy. What made you want to do this sort of thing? My uncle first and foremost was the big inspiration for me wanting to pursue Whakairo. My ancestors is another one. So this isn't some normal, everyday woodworking thing. It played a part of my culture in terms of like passing down our history and celebrating individuals in our culture. We had no written formal language, brother. So this was one of the methods, along with the many others that we have at our disposal in our culture. Oh, oh. But yeah, my ancestors, brother, went through a lot of shit back in the day in order for us to have it today. Like, it's not mentioned in the history of this country, but it's the history that was passed down through my people, so no one forgets. Jeez. Sorry about that. Yo, Ducky, thank you for the brand new T1, brother. And Charlotte as well. Nā mihi nui ki a kōrua. Sorry about that cough and a half. What chisels do you use? Swiss chisels. Way better than a Swiss Army knife, I tell you that much. Nice mahi, brother. Nā mihi. I'm just saying that because I'm a carver and I'm biased towards the chisels. Oh, hell no. Yeah. Let's show Dunzo. Check your DMs. Oh, there's heaps in there. Every time I go in, there's like another 600. And I'm like, oh, it's gonna take me ages to get through all of these. I'm trying to, but oh bro, I reply to one, then another 50 come along. Sometimes I feel like I'm on the road to nowhere. But I'm trying to reply to all the comments. I just found out if you go into the notification section, you can actually reply to comments there. And here's me the whole time going into the video to reply to comments. Oh my amateur. When I figured that out, I was like, I made a discovery! Oh. Alrighty. Yeah. There it is. Alright, let's rest the back. Whakatahi e taku tūhara. Alright, hang on guys. Thank you for the window, and Barry, thank you for the rugby ball. Alrighty, there it is. Alright, so I'm thinking for this section we might do like rings around the whole thing. You just do rings. Just keep it simple. You don't need to do anything like ridiculously crazy. You just do design rings right around, right till we get to the end, pretty much. Kia ora, Wixter. Where are we over here? Sorry chat, just doing some so I can see both chats. Whether there's hey, thank you my bro. But yeah, most of it's done. Yeah, all we have to do really is design it. Who knows, I might try and find sandpaper, maybe. I mean, it would look better. It definitely would look better with the sandpaper. Alrighty. Did you end up selling the pieces when you're done? No, these go to the person who ordered them, or the commission. It's my auntie, but yeah, they're going to my auntie pretty much. Thank you, Emmett and Mark. Yeah, but pretty much that's it. All I need to do is design the end. Yeah, I'll probably just do spirals, like rings. What if I can do one spiral? That'll be interesting. Might be a bit of an ask as well. Yeah, just do rings around it right till we get to the end. We should be good. Thank you very much, Nerd, for the galaxy. Kia ora, Nerd. Okay, we become famous. I'll be honest, like fame's not really something that I worry about, because at the end of the day, you could be Nate Shot, you could be Beyonce. Being that person ain't gonna get you to that point. It's, you know, doing it pretty much. So that's why it's never really a necessity or something that, you know, I want to chase. I'm just glad people come here and like enjoy it. Who's your favorite carver? Oh, heaps. Majority of the ones I've carved with the masters. Lionel, he's mean. James Rickard, he's probably a good fellow to work with. Clive Ernest Fugel, yes, he's a master Maori wood carver. He's an actual Maori too. So it was cool to you know, learn under them. Gotta go, my bro. All good, brother. Have a good day. Do you ever take the streaming time? Do you ever want to take the streaming thing more full time? I've been streaming full time for 4 years. Someone. No, I'm Maori. Where are we now? Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to sort out a stream for Matariki. So something that's coming up in our country is Matariki, which is the Maori New Year. And I want to, you know, showcase that more this time around, because I don't want my stream just to solely be focused around Whakairo. Like, there's other aspects to our culture as well.
I need you to oil this man right now.
Oh my gosh. Papeli, thank you very much for the 25 bomb, bro, on Twitch. Bro, we... Jeez, you guys. Thank you very much, Papa Paley. If you did get a gifted sub, please give our gifter a thank you. I much appreciated if you give the person a thank you, man. Holy. Thank you, where are we? Hello from Belgium. Kia ora. How tall are you? I'm only 6 foot. Nothing too crazy. I'm 140 kgs. Yes, I know. Heavy guy, eh? Got a fat ass, that's why. Fat ass and big thighs. That's why I wear shorts in the winter. Yo, thank you very much, Joker, for the 2 months, my bro. Yeah, I just got a fat ass, chat. Just more love, more to love. That's why I always tell my wife I love you with all my ass, because it's bigger than my heart. Don't say it, gentlemen, it doesn't work majority of the time. I just get an ooh, that's about it. I mean, you get where I'm coming from, eh? Surely someone gets it. It's bigger than my heart, because I love you more than that, you know? Brother, ew. What's that, brother? We've been saying that lately, like every time we do something. Brother, ew. What's that, brother? That was a good one. I'm new to the area and I'm so glad I found a local streamer. Hey, cheer, bro. Cheer. Kia ora, my bro. Welcome. You just remember, like, you know, if you want to ask questions, feel free to. It can be about Whakairo, can be about anything else. Your smile is contagious. Pandemic smile. Nah. Let's not joke about that. It's contagious. Yeah. Oh, 2 million likes on TikTok. Far out. That's the second day in a row we've hit that. And you know what? Want to know what sucks is my phone's on 50%. Are you from Whakairo? No. My wife is. That's where my wife's from. Far out, you asked that like 5 times. Holy. Did I see a question about Te Mātaurai in there? I think I did. Oh, how do I say that? What was that word? Please recreate this video. No, I'm not gonna recreate that video. How did you meet your wife? Well, I'll take you back to a time when I was younger, much younger and much smaller, around the Valley area. I was at my good bro's birthday party at his grandfather's. We were all sitting around the fire having a sing-along, singing some songs. She was there, and her sister was too. All of a sudden, out of nowhere, I hear a slight crack. No one heard it, but I did. I looked to my left. I saw my future wife sitting there on a chair that had 3 legs with one line on the ground. And I thought to myself, fuck it, I'm just gonna say it out loud and tell everyone she broke the chair, and I did. I shamed her out at the party. And then I retired for the night. She was sitting in the living room across the other side. I didn't do anything. I went to bed. And then as I saw her, I was like, ooh. Alright. And so I added her on the platform that is not used by many young people these days, Facebook. Added her on Facebook, guys. And we got talking. And needless to say, when we got together, I removed Tinder. Yes, if you were young and you used Tinder, yeah, I was that guy. And he removed it, and then next thing you know, 9 years later, we've got a 5-year-old and a 3-year-old, and we're married. And that's the story of how I met my wife. True story, by the way. Yeah, I shamed her out in front of everyone. I was like, she's sitting on a chair with 3 legs. that was pretty much how I met her. But yes, I love her. I'm not afraid to tell the whole world, even if they're watching. Yeah. And how do I piss her off? I pretend to be Caesar. I do random Nacho Libre references because she hates that movie, so it makes me love the movie even more. And yeah. Every time I see her, I'm like, Tikarisi. Babe, I need to borrow some sweets. It's like, oh, fuck off. Yeah. Yeah, we've been together for like 9 years, pretty much. 9 years. Who was that? That was... Thank you for the 3 months in advance as a T1 as well. Thank you. Any other questions? Don't mind, don't hold back, it's all good. Also, I need coat recommendations for when we go down south. Well, honeymoon. I heard North Face is not really good at keeping you dry and warm. Is that true? Sometimes we can't just have a salad. Yeah, I need coat recommendations. I can't wear this coat down south because I'm not even allowed to wear it in public because of... Yeah, I've had this since 1995 Chet and it's finally ripped on me. Swan dry, yeah, well swan dries are expensive though. Yeah. I miss my old swan dries. Carhartt, that was just mentioned on TikTok too. Okay. Yo, Monkey, I'm doing good, brother. I'm doing good. We finished all the nitty gritty stuff now, my bro. Here we go. We'll go from Twitch and YouTube right across the TikTok. Here we go. Going across, and we will design the handle tomorrow. Yeah, we'll design the handle tomorrow. Hey, you monkey. Good night, brother. All good, my bro. Have a good sleep, eh? And please, if you are tired, please, if you can, go to bed at reasonable o'clock, please. Could you smack someone with it? Listen, King Lord, it's not one of those. Goodness gracious me. Hey from Papua New Guinea. Kia ora, bro. Kia ora. Yeah, I think we're in the wind down period of stream. We've got pretty much everything done. It's 1 AM. Yeah, you're in Kink Central 1 AM. Go to bed. Go to bed, you degenerate. Can I buy one? I don't have any for sale right now, but I did get a few commissions asking for paddles. I need to reply to those emails shortly. When I get the time, I should say. I'll try and check my DMs, just know that they are piling up as we go. I still haven't gotten through all my Discord friend requests. There's like 3,000 there. And I feel so rude taking my time with it because there's so many. There's a few dodgy ones in there though, like, you know, just I ain't out here trying to add no people in their profile pictures like a character showing the chest area, the female character. No, thank you. Thank you for the galaxy, man. Yeah, there's some, I'm just trying to get through those that are actual people. See you on there! Thank you very much, Uzo. Okay, let me go there. Have a jacket recommendation. They can be pricey, but a pirate jacket. Yeah, because I think we're going to go to the snow too. I heard they're like Patagonia. I don't know about those ones. Okay, TikTok. I'm sorry. Thank you, Steven, and who cares? My phone is on 5% now. You know the dealio. I play TikTok streams to till it's flat pretty much. Popular number 64. I have no idea what that means. But for now, if you do want to carry on watching, I am gonna be chatting on Twitch and YouTube for the remainder of my time. And if you don't want to jump over to any of those platforms, have a good day, have a good night, have a good morning, and we will see you all tomorrow. We'll be designing the end of this handle, so that's what I want to do tomorrow. And if we have enough time, we will look at staining it. Yeah, look at staining it. But yeah, A7 TikTok. I'll see you all tomorrow, and thank you very much for the aroha today. Just remember, have a good day. You know, look after yourselves. Remember, look left and right when you cross the road. I went that way. Look after yourselves there, and GG's. Much love to you all. Ka kite. Choo. It would be cool if you could raid people on here, then you can send your viewers to another TikTok streamer. I think that'll be beneficial for everyone if you could do that. See ya! See you later. Alright. Oh jeez. How are we doing, guys? What's the time in NZ? It is currently 12:20, so it's well, for me it's hungry o'clock. But yeah, real good. We're chilling. Where's my phone? Alright, let's put this in the case. Yeah, someone was being a bit of a pig on TikTok, but it's all good. Not sure why. I was trying to ask if he was okay, but didn't say anything, so oh well. Hey, what's up, Bearded Banjo? How y'all doing there, brother? Hey, what's up, Zach over on YouTube? Come from TikTok? Kia ora, my bro. I'm sorry there's not much on my YouTube in terms of like things to do other than watch. I haven't really added anything, even though they've been asking me to. I do apologize. I just I keep forgetting, I just keep forgetting to do it, brother. Just put this away. Gosh, investing in a tripod for my phone was definitely good. Instead of trying to make a makeshift one. So, babe. Let's put some music on. Ooh, taco, so smooth. Taco. Oh. Why is it lagging? Middle of Europe. Who, me and I live in New Zealand, brother. Southern Hemisphere. The man, the myth, the legend. Hey, what's up, Deranged Penguin? What's up, my brother? Sorry, fabric caught up in here. So, someone purchased your carvings, commission-wise. The way I like to do it is, when people like get a commission, then what I do is then I like to make it live in front of the person. Like obviously I can't do it with these pieces, but ideally. And then what I normally do is just wait for payment and then send it out. It's kind of how I've been doing it lately. Ooh, don't worry about content. We love watching you like this. Oh, cheers, Zach. Yeah, I've got a video that I was supposed to upload last night, but I pretty much got stuck in Destiny, bro. But yeah, one thing I'm very happy that I can do right now is you know, do live streaming on YouTube now. Because I really never knew how to do it. When I asked people, they wouldn't teach me. Well, thankfully, one of my good mates ended up coming in clutch and teaching me how to do it. So now the YouTube audience that didn't get to see everything live can, you know, watch it now, which is what I'm most happiest about. Looks like a nice day. Yeah, it was a bit of a shitty day before, but now we got some sun. Good day for washing. Good day for washing, brother. Need to give me a new broom. Give me a new broom. Religion was a community in London. I'll be honest, I believe more in my own people's gods. So like the gods that my people believe in. Like, I'm not saying, you know, I don't hate on any other's religion, you know, that's your thing. Everyone, you know, believes in different gods and everyone's different walks in life. But yeah, me personally, I only believe in the Maori gods. A lot of our people like converted to Christianity and other faiths along, you know, as time goes by. But me personally, it's just the way my grandfather taught me, and that's something, you know, seems very understandable to me. Like just believing in my own people's gods, other than those that were brought on a, you know, on a ship by another people. That's just how I've always been. Like, if that person's people a certain way, that's okay too. You know? You're allowed to, you know, react in your own way. I'm looking like, who is this? Have you ever seen? Yes, I have. Korg, I understand. We all start at the bottom, working our way to the top. I know that you can't see me, nothing's gonna make me stop. We all start at the bottom, working our way. He sound like Coke. Hi, my name's Coke, I'm kinda like the leader around here. Hey, we're gonna jump on this ginormous spaceship over the on a go. I was paying off my loans. There you go, there's the Korg line. My name's Korg. This pile of rocks. Don't be afraid unless you're a pair of scissors. Yes, there you go. I know everyone was waiting for it. How many people have mentioned it? It's been mentioned for 4 years. Every day. You should have seen when I first started. The first year was, what kind of wood is that? That was asked a good, I would say a good 30 plus times every day for a year. But I did not falter. I told them anyway. Are you prepared for the honeymoon? What do you mean by that? We're just looking at booking our flights. Our flights are like 1,000 there and back, and we're just looking at a calm. My brother-in-law, there's these famous spas down there. My brother-in-law paid for us a whole spa day for our wedding, and then we're just gonna take it all in. We're gonna go to what's that place everyone goes to? Milford Sounds, to go and see the fjords and all that. and just enjoy some us time, pretty much. Yeah. Kinda regret how we met and how we sex. But yeah, it's we haven't necessarily had a us time in ages. But yeah, it'll be good. You should post a video. Yeah, I was gonna shoot some stuff down there, like some vlog stuff, and post it on the YouTube. It'll probably be shots without my wife's face in it though. You know how I am. No, I don't want it. Yeah, we'll take some videos, do some TikToks while we're down there too. There's this place everyone goes to called Ferg Burger. Apparently it's good, apparently it's overrated at the same time. But yeah, I'm just keen to go. There's like a ice bar too. Time away from the kids. Can sleep in the bed without having a bloody 20 kg child on my neck. Yeah, I am Deranged Penguin. I've just been playing Remix lately. Yeah, I'll probably play Remix till War Within, to be honest. Yeah. I'm watching you all playing Red Dead Redemption. Hey, good game. My man's on a top tier game right there. It's a top tier game right there, my bro. You just hunting? Oh yeah. I wouldn't mind replaying that game again, eh? I'm definitely, yeah, I wouldn't mind playing it again, man. It's been so long. It has been so long, bro. Play Apex again? Nah, I'm good. I think Destiny is becoming my FPS fix right now. Yeah. To be honest. This is my third playthrough. Oh, nice. Then Avatar game. Civilians. Yeah, I understand that. Like Tonawari, that's Cliff Curtis, he's a Maori. I always see him at the mall, eh? I should get a photo with him sometime. You know, gangs on whips, you wagon on Vinny's black 6x6. If I'm in a boost in a fence, wanna slip on hot chum, need to jump out of this pitch. Evil went away, fucking interceptor, Mr. K's got a tank. Curtis is a demon, the make a pool rank. Francis on the flank, somebody's giving spank. Mario as well, let's go. Randy and Romy got the cops on the roll. Said he TG then spun like a roll. President P, I'm Barack Obama. I always like that line, Barack Obama. Yeah. What's up, Micah? I have no idea what that is, Ludo. What's up, Corrupt Facts? I need to get on some RP tonight, I think. Yeah. You know, I need to do my sides again. Shit. You falling for him, touch him when he did by the morning. Yeah, so Cliff Curtis is, yeah, I see him here like all the time. He's like chill as. You wouldn't even believe it's him because he dresses just like me. He doesn't wear like designer stuff. 3 tinies. Yeah, bro. Yeah, so some goals I've got for the celebration is my wife still wants to play Fortnite, so I'm gonna start my subathon out here, then move it inside later. She wants to be a goal where she plays Fortnite, but trash. keeping my spirit high. That's the way, brother. Obviously, you know, once again, it's that thing about giving yourself time to heal. But also, just don't sit around, you know? Don't sit around. As you know, me and you, bro, as males, it's always the battle with the mind when it comes to us, I would say. So definitely look at things to invest into yourself, whether it's physically, creatively, even going for a hike, my bro. It's all about investing into yourself, man. You get there, obviously, once again, you know, it takes time, but don't wait around for time to do its thing. It's what you do within that time, brother, and you'll be all good, my bro. You will be sweet as, my bro. It's always good to see people come back, you know, after they've had, you know, something within their life not go the way as planned, but they come back and they're happy and confident at getting through it all. That is a very, very good thing to see, I would say. Yeah. For me personally, anyway. Yeah.
Hang on, wait, who, me? That's weird, I wasn't here. Who the fuck did you see? OTT, the king of acting, no OC. SK chill, let me smoke this old OG. Cause Hu Chan came out in like 2020.
Want to hear a Degenerate song after this?
2021, don't take my phone. Again, 2021. I mean shit, you ain't had a hit since 2021. Your ego just enormous, bitch. You ain't got the big brains. Leaving your gang behind for clout is just a bit lame. Tyrone, you're known as Steve Irwin from this day. Cause you're the first to die when I splash out in Stingray. Why you keep mentioning me? It must be fear. Love songs about chicks you ain't with.
Kinda weird. Yo, Mr. Jimbo. Thank you very much for the 1,000 biddies, my bro. What are these bits for? They're a form of, you know, like donating to your favorite streamer, whoever it may be. Thank you, man. Or am I just being a papega and you already know? I feel like it is. I won't be playing Sept or anything like that. This, like, P-Money's music from NoPixel is safe to play on streams. That's why I play P-Money. All his NoPixel stuff, not his official songs, I would say. Oh, bro, I'd love to paint some Warhammer, but bro, with my craftsman hands, bro, this is the figure, and then I'm like, oh. Then, too rough, my hands are too rough. Yo, P-Money, yeah, I love P-Money's music. Sucks I couldn't go watch him here. But I don't know how they do, like, with a single strand brush and they're like, slow as, or be like, oh, my bad. Yeah, I met P-Money. Yo, Anonymous, thank you very much for the 5 bomb, bro. Bro, he's been blowing the back out of my sub goal for a long time now. Appreciate the out on it, man. It's definitely gonna help out with like the honeymoon and hopefully TwitchCon too. But in the long term, I'd say hopefully having a house of our own one day. Thank you, guys. What's that? The real madness. Hello. Oh, I can't see my screen. I can't see my screen. I can't see my screen. It's like blank. What the fuck? I can't see on my screen. You narcissistic clown. Uh-oh. My streams, my laptop's black screened on me and I can't see what's going on. Oh, what do I do? I don't know what to do, chat. Control Alt Delete. I can't see anything on my screen.
Yo, hit the drive, oh shit, it's looking mean. Block popping, locals, homies, everybody's rocking green. Low riders, bandanas, head of weeders on the scene. Back alley, boots open, that's the money.
Escape.
Clean, still driving straight over till you hit the cul-de-sac. Gas station glowing purple, then you know where you're at. Bass banging, bad days, all the gangs on a map. Drive by all the time you
I don't even know what she's saying.
take a left.
See my homies in the red. Let me see if it's blank through my phone. I've got 5% left. Couple rights and you might see the essays, especially if you speak if you see the El Jefes. Oh my god, it's not good, eh? Drive a couple miles till you end up at the docks. Bro, I can't even see the screen shit. How do I in stream? Do I just pull the internet plug out? I actually can't see what's happening. Oh, I can see you guys' comments. Oh well. I can read someone from my phone and then I'll just finish up, eh? Bro, this is stupid. I can't see what's happening. Let me go closer to the Wi-Fi. Alright, you beautiful people. Thank you very much for the stream today. I still cannot see my screen. Is my laptop dead? But thank you very much for today. I do apologize. I'm gonna go raid the bro now. I don't know if it's gonna go through. I'm just gonna let it raid. I'm gonna pull the internet cord out and you all have a beautiful day. Sorry about this shit ending. I don't know what happened there. But, oh, there, I'm back. Cancel. I pushed F11. I got it. F11. Someone said try F4 and I couldn't even see the screen. I'm back. I am smart. But yes, I am. I'm gonna finish up for today. Oh, that was scary. Oh, jeez. Talk about a heart attack and a half. Sorry if everyone's like stopped talking. But yeah, I'm gonna finish up there. I wasn't sure what to do. But yeah, I'll finish up here. Who can I raid? Should I just raid the bro Hoss? Yeah, I'll raid Hoss. Sorry guys that we had to Have a bit of a disconnection there. Have a beautiful day, you guys. I am gonna go to the dry cleaners now and get some of my clothes dry, pretty much. Thank you very much. I do apologize about the hiccups there. Sorry, I just joined late. Nah, you're all good. Go back to sleep. I'm finishing up. I have to go and do, you know, responsible adult things now. Boring. But yeah, have a good day. Much love. Thank you very much for smashing the sub goal today, guys. What are we at? 71 out of 30. That's freaking crazy, man. Thank you very much. Aroha nui. I'll see you all tomorrow. We'll be designing that last section of the pedal. And I'll most likely go live on my gaming channel tonight at Notbox. Ka kite. See you later. See you, YouTube. Have a good day too.